Hi, I'm Isabel Wilson with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm here today at Old Colony YMCA in Easton, Massachusetts, with Sarah and Darcy. So Sarah, tell me what it is you like about the Y.
I love that people find the Y because they're looking to reach health and wellness goals and then find so much more than the pool and the fitness center they came to originally. We truly are a place where the community comes together and are open and welcoming to all.
And Darcy, how can people get more information?
Well, we welcome everyone to come in and take a tour at our Easton branch. Our staff would be happy to show them around and show them everything that we offer. You can also go to our website for more information at oldcolonyymca.org.
Remember, when you're a member of your community YMCA, you're a member of every Y in the nation.
Excellent. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.